like someone to do is just come up, stand here, just hold it up and show everybody, and everyone can see the lovely picture of the my rabbit that I've got at home, and then later I can give them a prize for coming up. What do you think?
Oh yeah! How you doing? Hey! Tell them your name. Shall I go on? I'm called Captain Ginger. Sir! Hey! Put your moustache on. All right. Yeah, how's that? Look all right. Yeah, it's very nice. What do you think?
You've got to pick a pocket or two.
Sirens, women of incredible beauty with magical voices, but cruel natures, who would tempt sailors from their ship decks to them, only to push them beneath the cold waters and drown them, so that their sea kingdom was full of white bones.
This is the Flea Circus, and the Flea Circus, as you can see before your very eyes, features the most remarkable performing fleas from all around the globe. I got most of mine, in fact, from the Olympic Village. I've got Usain Bolt's very own flea in there. And would you like to see how I catch my fleas? Inside here, I have a Victorian flea trap. And you can see it's made from a kokilla nut. And ladies, such as yourself, glamorous ladies, would sit at home at night, take the kokilla nut and carefully carve it and pierce it. Now inside, they would place something to attract the fleas, a little piece of lace, a little bit of fabric, and on it they would put some of their blood to attract the fleas. We put it there inside, and that would attract the fleas. And you can see there's little holes, just like a lobster pot, and they would tuck it deep inside their bozumbas. And then the fleas would crawl in the dark in the night through the holes inside the little kokilla nut. And then I can train them, and it only takes 2 weeks. The Flea Circus! Roll up, come and see the final Flea Circus of the afternoon, and hear a crowd cheer like this.
Boys and girls want to see me? Oh, well, I suppose I'd better come upstairs and say hello then. Oh, hello, boys and girls, hello.